in the unforgiving arena of the internet, where every upload can catapult you to stardom or cast you into the abyss, one man's saga stands as a testament to the raw power of redemption. This is the story of Logan Paul, a digital gladiator whose rise, fall, and resurrection rewrote the rules of fame. From the ashes of a global scandal, he forged an empire with a brand that's become a battle cry for the underdog. Buckle up, because you're about to witness how a notorious misstep became the cornerstone of a multi-million-dollar juggernaut. And by the end, you'll have the blueprint to turn your biggest defeats into your most lucrative victories. Logan Paul's ascent was like a rocket launch witnessed in real time. With his boy-next-door charm and a fearless approach to content creation, he quickly became Vine's golden boy. But what happens when the platform that made you a star disappears overnight? For Logan, it was simple: adapt and conquer. He transitioned to YouTube, where his daily vlogs became the stuff of legend. He wasn't just creating content, he was creating a movement. His videos, a blend of outrageous stunts and personal confessionals, were a new form of entertainment, and his audience grew into the tens of millions. But as his fame skyrocketed, so did the pressure, and Logan was about to learn that the line between viral and vile is perilously thin. December 31st, 2017, a date that would become infamous in the annals of internet history. Logan Paul uploaded a video that would ignite a firestorm of controversy. The Aokigahara Forest video was more than just a lapse in judgment. It was a catalyst for a global conversation about the responsibilities of content creators. Overnight, Logan went from celebrated to condemned. The backlash was a tsunami, stripping him of business deals, YouTube partnerships, and, perhaps most importantly, the trust of his audience. His fall from grace was not just a stumble. It was a free fall into the abyss of public opinion. In the aftermath, Logan faced a crossroads that would define his future. He could have let this be the end of his story, but instead, he chose the path of redemption. It was a path paved with self-reflection, education, and a commitment to change. He took to the airwaves with a suicide prevention PSA that reached millions, and his donation of $1 million to related charities was a statement of his intent to make things right. He returned to YouTube with a renewed focus, not just to entertain, but to use his platform for positive change. This was Logan Paul 2.0, a man on a mission to prove that he was more than his mistakes. Logan's journey back to the top was marked by a series of calculated moves. He stepped into the boxing ring, turning a feud into a spectacle, and in the process, showing the world that he was willing to fight, quite literally, for his redemption. But it was his venture into the business world that showcased a new side of Logan Paul. Prime Hydration, co-created with KSI, his former boxing rival, was a stroke of genius. It wasn't just another celebrity endorsement. It was a brand built on the foundations of his journey: resilience, redemption, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Prime flew off the shelves, not just because of the names behind it, but because it represented something greater, a symbol of what it means to turn your life around and find success on your terms. And now, the master plan. Logan Paul's strategy was not born out of a marketing textbook. It was written in the trenches of his lowest moments. It's a plan that revolves around resilience, the ability to take a punch, both metaphorically and in the ring, and come back stronger. It's about adaptability, recognizing when to pivot and seize new opportunities. And it's about authenticity, owning your story, the good and the bad, and using it to fuel your future. Prime is the embodiment of that strategy, a product that stands not just for hydration, but for the power of a second chance. It's proof that with the right mindset, you can turn even the most significant setbacks into a stage for your greatest act. As we come to the end of this tale, it's clear that Logan Paul's story is more than a cautionary tale. It's a playbook for the digital age. It's a story that shows us that our online actions have real-world consequences, but also that redemption is possible with hard work and a genuine desire to improve. Prime is more than a drink. It's a testament to Logan's unwavering spirit and a reminder to all of us that in the digital arena, we are all one click away from our greatest challenge or our defining moment. So, as you forge your path, remember the lessons from Logan's journey. Embrace change, own your mistakes, fight for your comeback, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find your prime.